We're here. It's day one of Star Wars Celebration. Got my badge, got my Anakin bound, and we are ready to have the best day ever. Okay, so we are here at Star Wars. I have my scar just in case you couldn't tell. It is so busy here, and you actually have to have like a reservation to go to a lot of the shows and the panels. I feel like that is a downside, but I do think that there's so much to do and so much to see. There is so many people though that it's a little bit overwhelming. But we are making our list of what we want to do today and tomorrow, and we're going to try and be better prepared to hit those lines and whatnot. I know today I want to go to Mindful Matters next time, of course, so we're going to plan to go see that in like about an hour. We'll probably go early, but it's a good day. How beautiful this is, and it's signed.
Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining us today for Star Wars Mindful Matters. Star Wars is for everyone, right? So we're gonna breathe in for 3 seconds and out for 3 seconds, and then together we're gonna say, I am one with the Force, and the Force is with me.
I am one with the Force, and the Force is with me. Breathe in. Breathe out.
Hard to see. My Wookiee roar, it's just okay. But that's not what matters here. We're all gonna do our best Wookiee roars. We're gonna use our Wookiee roars to get our emotions out.
I can't stay here any longer. Not now.
Everybody looks so good. I walked the floor this morning. It has meaning. That was the thing that George said to me over and over again, is whatever you do, make sure it has meaning.
You know them, you love them. It's Jon Favreau. And
Wow, there's a lot more people here than I ever thought. Man, it's emotional. I gotta say, I'm just taking this all in. Yeah, I've been to a lot of these. I've never seen so many people, and I'm just looking. I'm looking at all your faces, and all the things you do to make this all possible. And I'm trying to like commit it to memory and just know that I see you guys.
Do I know how to milk it or what? You know what we say to that, baby? This is the way. This is the way.
Forging something. I'm excited. You know what? You're Ahsoka. You can forge whatever you want. You go ahead. You make a helmet for Sabine. You do whatever you would like to do. If you guys love it enough, hopefully we'll get a second season and get to do it again. Did someone mention lightsabers?
Oh, I guess I can say that was pretty cool. Yeah, I can say that now.
Is Dave listening? Can he guide us now?
Seeing the joy that it brings on people's faces, people come up to, come up to us and just talk about it. It was my childhood, or some traumatic event happened, but the Clone Wars got them through. Those are the little meaningful things that you don't forget. So along with enjoying it, I mean, it brings people through tough times, and those are the really, really cool things to hear.
Restoring me to a chair.
Yeah, but I'm super afraid of Fennec Shand. Super afraid of Fennec.
You should be also afraid of me now when.
And in that costume, I'm standing on one leg with that hidden behind my thigh. I'm standing here in pieces and you're having delusions of grandeur.